Science with Esme! Hey everybody, I'm Esme, and today we're going to be making a steam engine to learn about the transfer of energy. You can do this at home. All you need is a lighter, a pin, a can of soda, a candle, a glass, a lanyard with a swiveling end, and an elastic and something to hang the lanyard from. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is poke a hole in an unopened can of Pepsi, a very small hole with a pin. Let it sit for a while because you don't want it to explode. Okay, now we're going to carefully flip it over and shake it so that it drains into the glass. This is the really fun part. We are going to take it to the sink and put a tiny bit of water in it. Let's go. Now we're going to run a little bit of water over the hole. Okay, I've put the pin in and now I am going to turn it this way so that the hole is at an angle. Okay, now I am going to spin around the can and put a hole at exactly the exact same location on the other side of the can. I'm on the other side of the can now, and I am going to place another hole, and I'm going to twist it so that the hole is vertical again. The same way. There we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hook it onto the elastic. Make sure not to pull the lid off. And you want to make it probably where that, just below the button and above the crease. And you want to attach it to the elastic. This is the setup you want. Now I'm going to light the candle below and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I put a book underneath the candle to make it closer to the can. Let's see if it works. It may take a while because the water has to heat up. What do you think's gonna happen? I used another book to make it higher, so it should work now. Any moment.
Now.
Because before it wasn't working. So instead of using an elastic, we used thread because it's easier to spin and way thinner. And instead of using a single candle, we used a double because it produces more heat. The thermal heat energy from the candle is transferred into the can, which then heats up the water, and the steam from the hot water comes out the holes. And that then spins the can. And that is an example of mechanical energy. If this were a real energy generator, then that could generate electricity on a mini scale. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. This was so much fun. And remember, if you try this at home, be careful with the fire. See you next time.